Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on C programming. In this video, we will learn the basic concept of the C programming languages, which is one of the most important programming languages for beginners and forms the foundation for many advanced programming languages. Introduction to C programming. C is a general purpose procedural and imperative programming languages. It was developed by Dennis M. Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Telephone Laboratories. Initially, it was designed to develop the Unix operating system, but today it was widely used for system software, embedded systems, and application development. Why C? Easy to learn. It has simple syntax, make it suitable for beginners. And second one is structured language. Programs are divided into functioning, making them organized and easy to maintain. Efficient programs. C programs execute very fast because they are compiled. And fourth one is supports low-level programming. It provides direct access to memory through pointers. And the final one is portable. The same program can run on different computer platforms with little or no modifications. C program structure. First one is preprocessor commands such as has include and then functions where the main function is mandatory. Third one is variables which is used to store the data and then statements and expression to perform operation. The commands to improve readability. Together, these components form a complete C program. For example, this is the first C program. Has include stdio.h includes the standard input-output library. Int main function is the starting point of execution. Printf displays the message of hello world. Finally, return 0, which indicates the program executed successfully. Here the basic syntax is semicolon. In C programming, every statement must end with the semicolon. The semicolon tells the compiler that one instruction has entered. Missing a semicolon results in a compilation error. Basic syntax is commands. Commands are explanatory notes written inside the program. They are ignored by the compiler and help programmers understand the code. In C, commands are written between /* and \*. Next one is tokens. Tokens are the smallest individual elements of a C program. The main type of tokens are identifiers, keywords, constants, operators, and then the strings. Then what is identifiers? Identifiers are names given to variables, functions, or other user-defined elements. They must begin with a letter or underscore and cannot contain special symbols like at, dollar, or percentage symbols. Also remember that C in case sensitive. So student and students are different identifiers. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words with predefined meanings. Example includes int, float, if, else, while, return, switch, struct, and short signed. They cannot be used as variable names. Variables. Variables are memory locations used to store data. Common data types includes char for characters, int for integers, float and double for decimal numbers, and void to represent the absence of a value. Integer data type. Different integer data types require different memory sizes and store different range of values. For example, character use 1 byte, sort uses 2 bytes, and int typically use 2 or 4 bytes depending on the compiler. Floating point types. Floating point data types are used to store decimal numbers. Float provides about 6 decimal digits of precision. Double provides around 15 decimal precisions and long double provides even higher precisions. C operators. Operators perform different operations like arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, and compare values. Logical operators combine conditions. Assignment operators assigns value to variables. Decision making. Decision making statements control the program flow. If statement execute code based on a condition. If else chooses between two alternatives. Switch selects one block from multiple options. C loops. Loops repeat a block of a code. While check the condition before execution, for is mainly used when the number of iteration is known. Do while executes the block at least once before checking the condition. It is also named as entry check loop. Loop control statement. Break immediately exits the loop, continues skip the current iteration and moves the next. Go to transfer control to another labeled statement. Thus, it is rarely recommended. The next one is array. C programming languages provide a data structure called the array, which can store a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same data type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same data type. Declaring array. First we give a array name, in bracket we give us a array size, which is a one-dimensional array. Next one is string manipulation. C provides built-in string functions such as string length, string copy, string cat, string compare. String length function is used to compute the overall length of the string. The next string copy is used to copy the one string is to another string. String concatenate used for joining the two different level of strings. String compare used for comparing one string from another string. Function. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. It is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Using functions improves code readability, reduces repetition, and makes debugging easier. Structures. Structures combines different data types into one user defined data type. For example, a student structure can store roll number, name, and subject and book ID. Union. A union is a special data type available in C that enables you to store different data types in the same memory. You can define a union with many members, but only one member can contain a value at any given time. Union provides an efficient way of using the same memory location for multi-purpose. Thank you for watching this video. This session introducing the fundamental concept of C programming. In this upcoming session, we will learn each topic in detail with examples and programming exercise. Thank you.